a lovely car freshener, an organizer made out of an old wallet, a phone holder, and car pranks? Today, we've got some tricks and life hacks for drivers and passengers. Pay up! Just kidding! My friend is just afraid of losing money and wants to appoint me as her main treasurer. So, where do I put this? I am not the best organizer today either. Actually, there's an idea. This car needs an organizer. For this life hack, you need an old wallet. Take an elastic band and a hot glue gun. Glue the rubber band around the edges of the wallet. Fasten the wallet to the folding panel above your seat. Now, it's not just a wallet, but also a mega useful organizer for cards and cash, and everything you need will always be nearby. I feel like every time I get in the car, I end up scratching my shoes. Do you need to carry around a second pair of shoes like you're going to gym class? We have a better idea. You need a regular sock. Stretch it out over the heel of the right shoe. Voila! Now the heel is protected. Just be sure you don't forget to remove the sock when you get out of the car. And no more scratches. Your friend left her position and went to chat with her boyfriend. It's time for a small friendly prank. Go up to the front seat of the car. Lower the mirror. Attach a picture of Dobby from Harry Potter to it. Meanwhile, your friend is done with her conversation and is finally ready to get back to our road trip. But first, she decided to look in the mirror. Oh no! What is this? Instead of her own reflection, she sees a scary elf in the mirror. Your friend's reaction is a great reward for your efforts. Everyone can offend the driver. Not everyone has time to escape. Garbage and papers scattered around the car can make even the most patient person feel stressed. For this life hack, you need a flat food container. Put a plastic bag inside. Put the container in the door. Put the garbage in the bag and close the lid. It is much nicer to drive in a clean car. While they wait for another passenger, the girls don't waste any time because there's a new video from our favorite channel. But my phone is kind of unstable today. Why haven't you made a stand for your phone yet? A simple rubber band will come to the rescue. Hang it on the AC system. Insert the phone into the loops. Done! We can see the screen perfectly. The phone is safe, so stop worrying about it and start your video. If life threw you into the back seat, don't worry. We have a life hack for this case too. You need a Ziplock bag. Make small cuts with scissors on two sides. Take two cords. Insert the cords on the sides of the bag. Attach the bag between the front seats. Bring some popcorn and watch your videos. And now we will tell you how to deal with an unpleasant smell in the car. And for this life hack, you need a plastic jar. Take some instant gelatin. Dilute it in hot water according to the instructions and mix it well. Pour some shiny decorations in the jar. Using a watering can, pour the gelatin solution in it. Add some glycerin. Choose your favorite essential oil. Drip the oil into the mixture. Mix thoroughly. Put it in the fridge until it hardens. Set the gel you made on the dashboard. A homemade natural air freshener will create a pleasant smell and refresh the air inside your car. It lasts up to 2 weeks. Simple and effective. To keep from getting bored during long stops, let's play an interesting game. You need paper cups and balloons. The goal of the game is to inflate a balloon in the cup and transfer it to the armrest without touching the cup. Let's go to the next level. Now you need to build a pyramid from cups. Whoever destroys the whole structure loses. Your friend is so happy. Finally, she gets to win. But our winning driver has no idea that her friend has another small prank for her. While she whistles her winning song, she's tinting her lips. Suddenly, oh no! What is this sound? Did you decide to spoil all our air? I definitely heard something, and it wasn't thunder. Calm down, it's just my phone. Here, see for yourself. I knew that you would fall for this childish prank. A bag, a box, a crate, a basket, a picture, some books, and a wee little doggy named Snooks. No, this isn't a children's poem. It's just people trying to pack their things for the road. I mean, really, where are you going to go with all these bags? All the seats are full of packages and backpacks. What can we do? Let's try to use a wide scarf. Tie the ends of the scarf to the handles. Put the things in the hammock. Great! The seat is free. Now there's room for bags and for passengers. Even if a girl's room is in perfect order, her car is usually in complete chaos. Silicone cupcake molds will help her keep things tidy. Place the molds in the cup holders. Put useful things in one of the compartments and money in the second. Your new organizer is ready, and the car got cleaner and more comfortable. Oh, the never-ending struggle between the front and back seats. Where should the bags go? No one wants to hold them. Ordinary carabiners will solve this issue. Remove the headrest from the front seat. Hang the carabiners on the racks. Return the headrest to its place. Now all your bags can go on the hooks. Everything you need can stay in the car without disturbing anyone. The idea is amazing! To make the trip more fun, my friend brought a whole bunch of snacks with her, but the sweet feast turns into a candy disaster. Just try and pick all of them up. A plastic organizer will help you avoid such an awkward situation. Place the snacks in the boxes. Put chocolate bars in a large compartment and candies in small ones. Lay out Oreos. See how many treats you can fit in such a compact box. You can proceed to snacking. Well, I think we're completely lost. Also, I don't have any signal, and now my GPS isn't working either. Do you remember which direction we came from? Where do we go next? Left or right? Thankfully, my friend took some precautions. To make sure you don't get lost on the road, take a road map with you. Go ahead and just keep it in the car. You can use it to navigate and find your way home. Let's go! Time to stop and have a snack. But a regular roadside picnic doesn't make your friend very happy. The cover is covered in twigs and straws. There is no place for food here. Good thing we planned ahead and brought an umbrella along. Open the umbrella. Put food in it. And if you don't have a blanket with you, you can make a light buffet. Hang the handle of the umbrella on a branch and the hanging table is ready. Now enjoy your meal. And so that the calories you consume during your picnic don't turn into extra pounds, let's play a game. You need a plastic bottle. Cut off the upper part. Heat and all, burn 2 holes in the bottle. Pass a ribbon through them. Knot it from the inside. Make several of these baskets. Hang the bottles on the branches of a tree. Take ping pong balls. The task is to throw as many balls as possible into the bottle. It's a little breezy, so winning won't be easy. Let's just assume that this time, everybody's a winner. Despite the bright sunlight, it is pretty cool outside. The poor friend is shivering, and her feet will probably fall off soon. Yes, it is probably too early for summer sneakers. Newspapers and garbage bags will help insulate her feet. Wrap her foot in a newspaper. Stretch a plastic bag on top. Do the same with the second foot. Put the sneakers back on. Well, this is better. The newspaper protection warms the feet better than your great-granny's wool socks, and a cool spring breeze is no big deal. Did you like our car life hacks? Let us know in the comments which ones you will use on your next trip. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss the most useful ideas from Troom Select.